Looking to dip your toes into real estate investing but don't know where to start? Let's simplify it for you. Real estate investing is more than just buying property. It's about making smart financial decisions for long-term gains. First, educate yourself. Read books, attend webinars, and network with experienced investors. Next, understand the different types of real estate investments: residential properties, commercial spaces, and even REITs, or real estate investment trusts, which allow you to invest in real estate without owning physical property. Assess your financial situation. Can you afford a mortgage? Do you have an emergency fund? Understanding these basics before diving in is crucial. Start small, maybe a single-family home or a duplex. Remember, focus on location, condition, and potential for appreciation. Don't shy away from hiring a property manager if needed. And most importantly, be patient. Real estate is a long-term game where smart moves today pay off tomorrow. Ready to get started? Happy investing!